So, good morning. My name is Dave.
My name is Minette.
And we're gonna talk about obesity. So, Minette, what brings you here today?
Oh, I'm just concerned about my body image and me gaining more weight and like some obesity results from an imbalance between energy intake and energy consumption. Because fat is the main storage form of energy, obesity represents an excess body fat. So for our first key concept, which is homeostasis, energy input is equal to energy output. And body fat is 18 to 20% of body weight. In obesity, energy input is greater than energy output. Risk factors for obesity are inactivity, unhealthy diet and eating habits, family lifestyle, genetics, lack of sleep, and it's also a significant risk factor for coronary heart disease, stroke, may cause blindness, and major distributor to lower extremity amputation. Symptoms of obesity are BMI greater than 30, gallbladder or liver disease, GERD, hypertension, high cholesterol, and stroke. Complications of obesity are breathing disorders, coronary artery disease, diabetes type 2, joint disease, and depression.
So, in obesity, energy input is more than energy output. And the people who have BMI of more than 30, it's due to increased food intake and decreased activity. So next, we're going to talk about our two other key concepts, which are protein and cell membrane. So here is our diagram of the cell membrane. And here is the insulin receptors embedded in the cell membrane, which insulin binds into so that the glucose will get into the cell. But because of the impermeability of the cell membrane, the glucose needs a specialized protein. It is called GLUT4. GLUT4 is an insulin-dependent protein which mostly found in skeletal muscles and adipose tissue. But for obesity, here is a small protein. So for obesity, we found two major factors. There might be a blockage in the protein, or there might be not enough insulin in the body.
So how does the body know that it's full or hungry?
So the hypothalamus gets signals or appetite from the digestive tract, blood, the levels of amino acids and fatty acids, and also hormones. So just during hunger, the stomach and the small intestines produces ghrelin. It's an appetite enhancer, which is also a chemical messenger, which binds onto the hypothalamus to signals the body of hunger. But when the body is full, the adipose fat tissue produces leptin. It's a suppressing appetite and also a chemical messenger that signals the body that the body is full. But we found also in obesity, adipocytes are the source of a number of important factors in obesity because it releases adiporectin. Adiporectin, it circulates in the blood, and it is known adipocyte secreted factor that increases tissue sensitivity to insulin.
In summary, obesity results from an imbalance between energy input and energy consumption. Adipose cells are the main storage of energy in the body, and in obesity, there is excess body fat or adipose cells. This affects normal homeostasis because there is an excess adipocytes, which represents higher energy input, and due to inactivity and increased food intake, these cells are not being used as much. Therefore, energy consumption is less than energy input.
So Minette, what I'm gonna suggest to you is to exercise 2 to 3 times per week and eat a balanced diet.
Do this. 1, 2, 3. So tired. Thanks for watching.